Sentences in Minnesota are determined primarily based on the offense level that you have been convicted of, and then we would always go to a hearing in front of a judge. The judge would be the person who would determine your final sentence. So for example, in Minnesota there are 4 levels of offenses. The lowest level of offense is a petty misdemeanor offense. The absolute possible maximum fine or penalty that you could receive for a petty misdemeanor is a $300 fine. There is no ability for someone to spend any time in jail for a petty misdemeanor offense. If someone is convicted of a misdemeanor offense, the possible fines and maximum consequences would be a $1,000 fine and up to 90 days in jail. As the level of offense increases, so do the possible consequences. So for a gross misdemeanor offense, someone could face up to a year in jail and a $3,000 fine. Anything higher than a gross misdemeanor offense would be qualified as a felony. For felony offenses, you could be looking at up to a year and a day in jail, so 366 days in prison, or up to a life imprisonment sentence. When your case is before a judge and the judge is considering the level of sentence to impose, your attorney would be there to represent you, to make arguments about why you should be sentenced in a specific way. For example, why someone should be sentenced to probation instead of going to jail, why someone should do community work service instead of some other sort of consequence. So if you have questions about what you're going to be sentenced as or what your case could result in for a sentence, please make sure to give us a call so we can talk about your specific situation.